How to reduce text opacity in Wix.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can reduce the opacity of your text on Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you will be redirected here on this home page. And from here, what you need to do is you need to click on design site and open the website that you're working on. Now, let me tell you something very important here. Please note it down that in Wix, there is no legitimate or direct way of controlling the opacity of a text. Opacity means how light the text should be, or how dark it should be. Like if you see a text that is very light, that means it has a very low opacity. So there's no direct way of controlling the opacity here on Wix.com. The feature is not available. Even with the latest updates, it's not available on Wix.com. So we have found out a hack or an alternative way to control the opacity of a text. So just watch this video, and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your designer and write a paragraph right here. And then what you need to do is you need to click on edit text, go on color, and then add color. Here, what you need to do, let's just change the font for a while. Now, what you need to do is you need to take the color picker or the color selector right here. And now if you want to change the opacity, you can just move it from right to the left and it will control the opacity itself. Now it will work the best if you have a white background. So I recommend using a white background because it will work the best on a white background. So you can see the opacity is being under controlled. And if we move it completely here, then it's like going to vanish, almost going to vanish. Here you go. So you can see the opacity has been greatly changed, although we have no opacity. But through this custom color, we can change the opacity of a text. Now this only works in light colors, so make sure you use light colors, not the dark ones, because if you use the dark ones, then it won't work as much. It won't work at all totally, I can say that. So it only works with the lighter colors which have a lighter shade that you can use. So this is the legitimate way of changing the opacity of a text here on Wix.com until we get an official opacity changer button on our text bar. Until then, we can use this way. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do drop a like and subscribe the channel as well to see more content like this in the future. I'm going to see you with some more videos.